guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sips by unboxing. This is a monthly tea subscription, and these are my June teas. Comes with a card, tells you about them on the back, so I'll set them aside for a moment. This one's fun. Tea Goblin. That's really cool packaging. Tells you how to prepare it on there. This one has apple, rosehip, hibiscus, blackberry, peach. That's probably pretty good. That's a loose leaf tea. And because they sent loose leaf tea, I normally get like half and half in every box. There are these little fillable tea bags for your loose leaf tea as well. Then we have Pomegranate Mojito by Zest Tea, and this is an energy tea, it says. So those are individual packets of tea. Every time they're individual tea bags, you get 4 of those. And here's another loose leaf, Tealra. I'm not sure if I said that right. But it's a white tea, chai tea. And there's a promo code on the back. So that's pretty cool. Discover the best galaxy of teas. And the last one in the box is by David's Tea, and this is an organic breakfast blend. Very cool. So when you sign up, you do fill out a profile, and you could put like what your favorite teas are, what teas you don't like, and then they will customize it for you. So if you sign up, your June box may not look like mine. But here is the card. I always get a pretty good mix of caffeine. Let me look at this. This says coffee level caffeine. Oh, okay, it's still tea though. That confused me for a minute. So that has enough coffee, or caffeine as a coffee, I guess. I've never seen that on a card before. Then we have high caffeine, low caffeine, and caffeine free. So they always send me a good variety. So if you guys would like to join, I'll put a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.